Oh, a little hot out there today. I don't know if you've been outside this afternoon, but ooh, it's hotter than yesterday. The humidity's coming back up too. It's not really high everywhere, but not quite as comfortable as yesterday. Plus, it is several degrees hotter. Dry weather continues in Houston. I think that may be the trend the next few days there. Have a chance to dry out in Houston, southeast Texas, and southwest Louisiana. Our weather may take a turn for the cooler type of weather here later next week. We are actually tracking a pretty good chance to see a cold front sweep through, but not until about later Wednesday afternoon or early Thursday. So if you can stick it out for about another 6 days, there is relief on the horizon, like a little taste of fall. You know, you already feel it. Feel it in the air a little bit? Maybe? No. Okay, not yet. But 103 in McAllen, 104 in Edinburg, 99 in Harlingen, and 105 in Rio Grande City. These temperatures here in the lower valley were even hotter, but have started to come down with the sea breeze coming in. But you look at the humidity, dew points are on their way up. They're not super high everywhere, but dew points are back in the upper 60s and mid 70s in the lower valley. I think that 52 in Edinburg is kind of some bad data. It's kind of stuck or something, but generally dew points are in the 60s in the mid and upper valley. So put the average at about 68 on the Muggy meter, but it's headed up toward the very humid category in most areas by tonight and tomorrow. So still fairly sticky out there tomorrow. I don't think tomorrow will be quite as hot, but probably still well into the mid to upper 90s everywhere and even over 100 in the upper valley. Here's a quick look at the Houston area where it is dry and kind of mostly sunny. Even the heavy rain that was in southwest Louisiana yesterday this time has spun off to the northeast as Harvey is a tropical depression and moving away from Texas and Louisiana. Future track does show mainly clear to partly cloudy skies early this evening and mainly clear skies after sunset. Tomorrow should be another fairly sunny day. Future track, if you look at it, tries to show one little shower here and there in green during the daytime. I think that's probably overdone. I think we're looking at, maybe a sprinkle if the clouds happen to puff up somewhere, but a tiny little brief shower is a slim possibility. I think tomorrow looks a lot like today overall, just kind of mostly sunny and hot. Even as we go into Saturday, still very slim chances that you might see one shower somewhere on this map, but we'll just say mainly dry as rain chances are pretty close to zero most of the time. And Sunday's rain chances, again, moisture's nearby. It's trying to come in, so you might get enough moisture to spark a couple of small showers during the daytime on Sunday, but I don't think we'll see anything widespread, but maybe a brief shower or a brief downpour in one or two spots. So rain chances less than 10% tomorrow and Saturday, and then going into Sunday, probably up to about 10%, but could go a little higher Monday and Tuesday. It kind of really depends on the tropics, which is something we'll talk about throughout the hour and throughout the evening. Farther out in the tropics, though, the only other storm system in the Atlantic anywhere is Hurricane Irma. It's way out there. This storm is forecast to move basically west, kind of wiggle around, maybe go west-southwest toward the Caribbean, but that's still about 7 days away from reaching the Caribbean. So something we'll begin to watch, but it's still far away from anyone. First 15-70 forecast, though, highs in the upper 90s and near 100 tomorrow. Mainly dry Friday and Saturday with slim chances for a shower. Sunday looks kind of partly sunny. It may cloud over a little more on Sunday to cool things off a bit. Monday and Tuesday, we'll have to watch tropical moisture even into Wednesday. If it's able to spread in here, we could have more scattered showers and storms. Otherwise, it may not be too much rain. Look at this, though. Cold front could arrive later Wednesday. So look at those temperatures. Highs in the 80s next Thursday, but look at the lows. They dip into the 60s. Oh, everyone loves me now. We'll keep tracking in your first 1-5 forecast coming up.